Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new here, my name's Alex and I post weekly videos about print on demand and how to earn passive income. So as you can tell by the title of this video, today I'll be going over my November Redbubble earnings. I know you guys really liked the last video that I posted about my October earnings, and that was my first official earnings video that I had ever posted, so I'm definitely gonna keep it up and post them every month so you guys can see my progress, how I'm doing, you know, the highs, the lows of print on demand, and just see kind of what my numbers look like, because I always love watching these videos and I think they're super interesting to see where other people are at and, you know, give you motivation to see where you can be too. So before I get into my earnings, I actually wanted to quickly announce my giveaway winner for my second Redbubble giveaway. I did post about this, I think maybe last week on my community post section, but I don't think the winner saw, so I'm just gonna announce it again here in case you're watching the videos and don't keep up with the posts. So the second winner of my Redbubble giveaway is Alexandru Duțu. So if you're watching this, please send me a message via Instagram DM or email. You can find both those in my YouTube profile and I can ship all your items to you as soon as possible. Also, I'm pretty sure this winner is Romanian by his name because I'm also Romanian, so I recognize the accent and everything. So I thought that was pretty cool that I had a follower from Romania that was able to win it. And I know a lot of people asked me if I'm Romanian, so I don't think I ever officially said yes in a video, but yeah, I am Romanian. Both my parents were born there and came to Canada when they were in their 20s. So I was not born there, but I do speak Romanian and I love everything Romanian and the culture, and I've been there lots of times. So yeah, that just answers that for anyone that was curious. But now let's get into my earnings and show you guys what I got in November. So unfortunately, this was another low month, and once again, I am not surprised because October and November are always my lowest months in all of my Redbubble history pretty much, so no shock there. And from here on out, it is definitely gonna go up with the next coming months, so I'm excited to see a higher paycheck from them. But I did still earn $497 US for my November paycheck. So converted to Canadian, I got 662 Canadian dollars in my bank account. So I mean, I'm still very grateful for this amount, but if I'm just being factual, it was my lowest month in a long time. So that's pretty much all I want to say about that before I get into my Redbubble analytics and show you guys the breakdown of this income and what my traffic looked like for the month of November/October, because as you guys know, you get paid for like half of October and then half of November on your November paycheck. Okay, so I have my laptop here and I'm just going into my payment history. So as you can see, my November payment was $497, like I said, and I want to show you guys my last year November payment because it was actually, where is it? It was right here. So it was $247. So pretty much like last month, I was able to double my sales from last year, which I think shows a lot of growth. And even if it's not a significant amount higher than last month or the month before, it's still a significant amount higher than the previous year. So I'm still happy with that. And let me actually look in my year before that to see what my numbers looked like because I'm kind of curious. Okay, yeah, wow. So even in 2018, November was, I think, my lowest month by far. I only made $116 US, and as you can see, all the other months were way beyond that. So I think it's just a trend that for my store, at least with my current content right now, November will be one of my, if not the lowest months of the year for sales. So now that I've looked at my actual payment history, let's go into my sales history and see the type of products I sold in November and yeah, what the variety was. Okay, so I just have to go back to, I guess, mid-October because that's when the sales started counting towards my November paycheck. Okay, so here we are, let's say October 15th, just giving a ballpark. I had a sticker, iPhone case, travel mug, coasters, throw pillow, mask, poster, a bunch of variety of things. Still a lot of stickers. Obviously, stickers are going to be probably some of the most popular items for anybody because they are the cheapest item for people to buy, and it's, yeah, an easy buy, so people don't really have to think about it twice. Now going into like the mid-end of October, we have bath mat, iPhone case again, a lot of bath mats, a scarf, Oh, more bath mats? Okay, apparently November was the month of the bath mats. But this just goes to show you guys that you really should enable your products on everything, because even if you think somebody's not coming to Redbubble to buy a bath mat, there's proof right here that they are selling, and I'm sure I'm not the only one selling these, so definitely apply it to everything. And then here I have a backpack. I actually didn't even realize that I've sold a backpack. I think this might have been my first one because I haven't seen it before, so that's pretty cool. I kind of like these Redbubble review videos because, or these Redbubble income videos, because I normally don't review these myself. Like, I just kind of look at them every so often, but I don't look at the whole thing. So it's nice looking back and just seeing everything that I sold and all the places people bought from. Okay, so now we're getting into the beginning of November. More bath mats, oh my gosh. I guess maybe there was a sale on them or something, because yeah, I have not sold that many bath mats in the past in like 1 month. More masks, a scarf. Ooh, a framed print. Those are always some of the best ones. You guys know framed prints give you a lot of commission. I got $43 with this one, so definitely not complaining. Those and duvet covers are some of the sales that make me really happy. And then yeah, leggings, a mug, another bath mat. Okay, I don't know what is up with the bath mats, but I'll take it. Oh wow, I sold a t-shirt here, which is surprising because, as you guys know, I'm not really like a t-shirt store. Like, that isn't my main thing that I sell, and I'm always surprised when I do sell t-shirts. Another bath mat. Okay, I'm gonna stop counting them because clearly it's just like my new top selling product apparently. Okay, so that's about it for November. As you can see, another month full of a wide variety of products. Let me go into my dashboard and show you guys my analytics. So I'm just gonna go into my last 30 days. So unfortunately, I did this kind of late because it'll only show me all of November right now because we're in December, but it still shows, you know, half of my paycheck. So as you can see here, I did most of my November sales on November 9th and 10th. I'm trying to think if that was a holiday, but I don't think so. I think they must have just had like a good sale going on or something. And then a lot more on the 15th, and then the later half of the month as well. But yeah, for most of November, I did not do that well. I had $1 on the 2nd, nothing on the 1st. Yeah, it was pretty much under $20 apart from those 2 days. My top earnings, once again, Blue Ocean Wave between November 2nd and December 1st. So once again, it's only for half the month that I'm looking at, but still kind of same pattern. Blue and white Portuguese tile and Starfish Under the Ocean came into a new spot. They're usually not the top ones, so that's pretty cool to see because I just posted the Starfish Under the Ocean, I believe, at the beginning of November. So it's nice when new products actually sell fairly quickly, and that usually doesn't happen to me. Usually like I have to wait a while until they get, I guess, I don't know, more popular, but I guess the picture speaks for itself. And then the audience traffic sources from November to December. It's kind of still sticking with the same trend as last month. Most of it was from social media and Redbubble. A few direct, a few, well, not more than a few. Some direct, some organic traffic, but yeah, the bulk of it is from social media and Redbubble. So if you guys ever wonder if Redbubble does promote your stuff outside of their website, they do, and clearly it works to bring people to the store. And then I'm just gonna look at my shares. Quite a few shares on social media. Like, I'm always surprised when I see any shares because I think it's cool that people are willing to share it. So great to see, but I would like to get those numbers up because I feel like getting that social proof from other people definitely helps other buyers make their decisions. So that might be a goal that I put for myself, to kind of somehow try to get more shares on there. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my dashboard. I showed you guys everything I could really show you for the month of November payments history, and it's getting pretty dark out because it's such a gloomy day today. It's only like 4 o'clock, but the sun is definitely gone and it looks like it's like 7 o'clock. So I'm trying to work with the lighting that I have, but basically I just wanted to go over all that stuff for you guys. And I think that November was similar to October for the reasons that I didn't have as many sales, because What they count in the November paycheck is the end half of October and the beginning half of November, and both of those time frames are very holiday themed. Like the end half of October is very Halloween themed, and then the beginning half of November is very Thanksgiving themed for Americans. So people are probably buying those kind of items and, you know, fall items, stuff like that. So obviously my shop is not focused on that type of niche, so I'm not gonna get that chunk of sales, and that's probably why every year around this time I don't do that well. But now that we're getting into like the Christmas sales and people are just buying gifts for people that they would like, not necessarily just Christmas themed, I'm starting to see my sales go up a lot more, and I think next month will be a really good month for my income report, so stay tuned for that. Especially with like Black Friday and everything, I had a lot of sales on that day. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys my final December paycheck when I get that. So don't worry if you guys have dips in your sales in different parts of the year. It's normal and can't, you know, be everything to everyone with your shop. So last thing I want to touch on is my November goals and how I did with them, and then also share my December goals for Redbubble. So let's go over my November goals and see if I completed them. So my first goal was to post at least 20 designs on my Redbubble store, and I did complete that. I actually posted more than 20, so I'll tally them up here somewhere and show you guys some of them, and yeah, you guys can see that I posted it, so I'm pretty proud of myself for that. And my second goal for November was to promote my store or products on some sort of social media page, whether that was like a TikTok account that was popular or an Instagram account. And unfortunately, I did not work on this at all. I kind of forgot about it, to be honest. It was in the back of my mind, and I'm going to bring it into December as one of my primary goals so that I can make a video about it for you guys and show you whether it works or not. So I'll keep myself accountable to that and do it in the month of December. And then the final goal that I had for November was to audit my own shop, and I actually just did that because I filmed a video about that. So luckily I got that in there last minute and I gave my shop a quick audit. So if you guys want to see that video where I go over some things in my shop and then also let you guys know how to audit your own shop, I'll leave it up here and you guys can check that out after this video. But overall, I'm pretty happy with the work I did on my Redbubble shop this month, or last month I guess, because normally I kind of just let it do its thing and let it gain its sales and don't really focus too much on it, but I think it's important to maintain it and grow it at any point of time, whether you're successful or not. So now moving into my December goals, I want to post another 20 designs to kind of keep the ball rolling, and I know I have a lot more old vacation pictures that I have to edit, so that should be pretty easy to do. And then I want to focus on the social media promotion that I was talking about in November. So I'm going to keep it at 2 goals for my Redbubble shop for the month of December, just because I know the social media one will take up a lot of time and effort. So let's leave it to 2 right now and see how I do, and then come up with some new goals in January. All right, but that's all I have for today. Let me know what your November sales were in the description below. I love hearing how much you guys made and seeing your progress and growth throughout the months and seeing the new sales come in for you guys. So yeah, let's all share it down below and see kind of where we're at, because I think it really motivates a lot of people to just see a wide variety of ranges for the income. So if you feel comfortable sharing, feel free down below, and let me know what else you guys want me to film. I have lots of other ideas coming, but I'm always excited to film content that you guys actually want to see and that comes directly from the comments. So definitely leave that below as well, and subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more income reports. But that is all I have for today, so have a great day and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.